Maya Angelou, the American poet who died a couple of years ago. She had a long and fascinating life. Last year I actually read the whole 6 volumes of her autobiography, and wow, what a life that woman led. She grew up in the southern states of America, uh, brought up by maternal grandparents. She'd been abandoned by both her mother and her father, together with her brother at a young age. Um, Life was hard and tough. It was hard and tough when you were poor. It was harder and tougher when you were black and poor, and even harder and tougher when you were female, black and poor. And oh, that book is an eye opener. But one of the things that she did was write some amazing poetry. In her time, she had worked both with Martin Luther King and Malcolm X. For a while, she had lived in Ghana and she had met President Kwame Nkrumah during all the time of excitement about independent black states and the excitement that had reached at that particular time and the encouragement it gave people in, in America who had hoped for some freedom of their own. This poem is called I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, and it's also the title of the first volume of her autobiography. The free bird leaps on the back of the wind and flows downstream till the current ends, and dips his wings in the orange sun rays, and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with fearful trill of the things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the crave of dreams, his shadow shouts on a nightmare scream, his wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. Thank you. You can tell I'm outdoors with dogs barking, car horns going, and everything else, but it is just nice to get out. And a bit like the caged bird, out of the house and in the backyard and enjoying the breeze and what hazy sunshine remains. Thank you.